Hello friends, today we will talk about AWS, Amazon Web Services. So what is AWS? AWS is a cloud platform that is provided by Amazon. AWS is world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform offering over 175 fully featured service from data centers globally. So millions of customers are using right now AWS. AWS is mainly used by many organizations and some of organizations are listed here like Netflix, NASA, Sony, STC, Tata Motors, SAP. These are the main organizations which are using AWS service. I have mentioned only a few. There are a lot of organizations which are currently using AWS services. So if you want to understand AWS, you must understand the global infrastructure, how it is available across globe. So there are 24 regions are available there, 76 availability zones are there, 216 point of presence are there, means which contains edge location and regional cache location, and 245 countries and territories it serves. So if you want to understand more about global infra, you must understand what is regions, what is availability zones, and what is edge locations. So AWS edge locations are the broadest geographic category that define the physical location of AWS servers. Currently there are around right now it is 24 AWS regions across worldwide, like North America, South America, Europe, China, Africa, Asia Pacific, Middle East, and every region consists of multiple separate availability zones. So these regions are isolated and independent from one another. So these are the 24 geographic regions, 76 availability zones around. These are the regions locations, and AWS has just announces 9 more availability zones and 3 more regions in Indonesia, Japan, and Spain. So here is how the inside region you will have different availability zones. How many regions and availability zones are there in India? Right now it is having 3 availability zones in one region, that is Asia Pacific, Mumbai. These are the other regions name which is available across the globe. Choosing a region, you actually each regions are not created equally. Some of the regions having more services like US East, US West, and Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo, or Ireland. These are the regions where you will have more services than other regions. So how to choose a region? Proximity, which is near to your location, or what are the services you want, what is the cost, or SLA or compliances. Based on these criteria you can choose a AWS regions. What is availability zones? It is a logical building block that make up the AWS regions. These are the data center within a region. If you distribute your instance across multiple availability zones and one instance fails, you can design your application so that an instance is in another AWS and availability zones can handle requests. This is like an emergency load balancer without using an actual load balancer. In general, availability zones gives you the flexibility to launch, produce apps and resources that are highly available, fault tolerance, and scalable as compared to using a single data centers. Having more options and backup is always better. Point of presence, it is used by CloudFront. This is a service used by this AWS. We will talk about CloudFront. So it is having 205 edge location and 11 regional edge caches. So these are the edge locations and regional caches which are available across the globe. How many edge location and regional edge caches are there in India? There are 4 location four edge locations are there in India. One is Bangalore, one in Chennai, one is in Hyderabad, and one is in Mumbai. So this regional edge caches are in Mumbai. One regional cache is available in Mumbai. So if you want to understand edge location is especially used by CloudFront to distribute content to end user to reduce latency. So edge location serves requests for CloudFront and Route 53. Route 53, CloudFront is a content delivery network, while Route 53 is a DNS service. For example, in a simple scenario, when you are not using cloud, if you want to have a photo of sunrise from a website like for example, it is example.com I have taken. So normally what happens, you get the on a single click you get the picture, but in background what happens, your request goes from one router to another router. It chooses the best path, and accordingly it select the path. So according to the matrix of different routing protocols, it select the path. Same way in CloudFront also, it is speed up the distribution of your content by routing each user request through the AWS backbone network to the edge location that can best serve your content. So it will in terms of latency, it will check in which you are getting a low latency. Accordingly it will send your request to the nearest edge location. So edge location, what happens in edge location, copies of your files are held in edge locations. Same way in regional edge location, each having larger memory than edge location, and it sits between your original server and your edge locations. Just like in a PC you are having your hard disk, RAM and cache memory. So if you want in initial if you want to have some data, so firstly it will access from your hard disk, and it will keep that data in RAM for some time. So next time if server your PC needed, it will take from RAM, not from hard disk. Same way the cache takes the data from the RAM. So this way the processing is fast in your computer. Say what are the AWS services? There are many AWS services. We will discuss these on next video. For your just for your information, there are different services like foundation services, EC2, S3, EBS, Glacier, VPC, ELB or Route 53. For same way you have for different application services are there like CloudFront, okay, EMR, Cloud Search. So these are the services, and deployment and management like management console, IAM, billing. So it is having different types of services available